Good morning to all of you. Myself Dinesh Kumar from RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus Karnal. Today I am going to discuss about Maid's Cart Trolley. Maid's Cart Trolley. Maid's Cart Trolley is basically a trolley which is used for making the guest room and cleaning the guest room. It is made from wooden and basically we stand it in the corridor, and the first rack is used for hand towel and bath towel and face towel. The second rack or the last rack is used for the bed sheet, and the top side is used for store the room amenities and supplies like soap, conditioner, shampoo, shaving kit, etc. Preparing to clean. In most property, the room attendant work day begins in the linen room. The linen room is often considered the headquarters of the housekeeping department. It is here that the employee reports for work, receive room assignment, room status report, and keys, and check out at the end of his or her shift. Her too, the room attendant prepare for a work day by assembling and organizing the supply that are necessary for cleaning. Assembling supplies. A room attendant requires a special tools to do his or her job. For the professional room attendant, these tools come in the form of the various cleaning supply and equipment. Cleaning supply like as R1, R2, R3, and the equipment is carpet shampooing machine, floor cleaner, vacuum cleaner. All these are the equipment of housekeeping. And linens like bath towel, hand towel, face towel, and bed sheet, and bathrobe, room accessories, and amenities that are necessary for preparing a guest room. Maid's cart trolley. This is the old classic maid's cart trolley and new advanced maid cart trolley. These are both of the shapes of the trolley. Like this, the lowest part is used for to store the bed sheets, and the second is used for store the hand towel, face towel, and bath towel, and the top is used for the storing of supplies or amenities of the room like shaving kit, conditioner, shampoo, R1, R2, and all the necessary accessories we required for making the room. And this is the new advanced made cart trolley. In is there everything should be stored according to the systematic. Like firstly we store the hand towel, after that we store the face towel and bath towel, then in last we store the garbage. And in a sense, the room attendant cart could be regarded as a Gantt toolbox stacked with everything necessary to do an effective job. A well organized and well stacked cart is the key to efficiency. It enables the room attendants to avoid the wasting time and looking for the cleaning items and making trips back to the linen room for more supply. The specific amount of items loaded onto the vary according to the types of room being cleaned and the amenities offered by the property and courses and the size of the cart itself. The room attendant cart is generally spacious enough to carry all the supply need for half-day room assignment. So thank you to all of you. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt or query, please text me at dis@rpiit.com. So thank you to all of you.